call him again. He can't hear you.
Ryan!
Go get her. Go get her, Ryan. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Go get her. Go on, Ryan. You can do it. Go get her. Yeah, sit down. Good boy. Go get her. Here he comes, Emma. Here he comes. He's gonna get you. Go get her, Ryan. Emma, let go of the balloon so he can get you. No, 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 no. Call him. Let go of the balloon. Let it go up to the sky. He can come say hi to you. Ryan, go see Emma. Go see Emma. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. And how about you go get him? Yep. Where'd she go, Ryan? Hey, Ryan. You gonna go get her again? Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Oh, good job, guys.